Lakini saa hii hakuna miti, kichaka ana miti hata kidogo, imeisha. Ukienda kutafuta kuni enda mbali sana. Saa hii ni kungumu sana. Kuchoka, kuumwa na mgongo sababu kubeba hiyo kuni. Do wenu ngora waina thina mwingi muno. Ninyitagwa ni githuri ngoragwo nina warangi ya ndogo mbai. Ana mendo tikwa mona wega na mona atakwa problem ino iguku mendo ya ndogo. After our baseline analysis, we realized that our community members still needed an improved cookstove. And thanks to Jiko Sawa project, we are going to help them in recovering their ecosystem. This project is a solution to their challenges. Embu is situated in a rural setting where women are still using the 3 stones, a technology that use a lot of firewood. So we found there's still a need of women still wanting to move to a higher improved cook stove that will overall impact on their health and also on their social economic well-being.
I organize the distribution. I act as the link between the office and the field officers in the community. Those people that we registered as the first, they have spread the gospel to the other people. So it has also become so easy for us. Sometimes you get to the group and you are told, come and train us, and then you bring us the cook stuff so that we can be able also to train others. And that's why we are able to distribute so many stuff so far.
Ngamera undu wa mbere ni gukorwo ni rasiva ngu rucio ingi na ugima wa mwiri wa mendo ni undu mendo ndindureturura ni ndamera ni mbega kuma na agia njiko eno Jiko Sawa negwire na buruka undu wa mbere kuburuka kunangu ndona ni sawa ugima wa mwiri naguo ni ngona ni mwega tondu mariko ni maraturagithia mundu mentori na riu guti mentori tondu gutina ndogo na riko na rio rigakorwo ri na utheru ndutaga wira wakwa mugunda ngithi mugunda ri ngithaika into eni
karuma tireteka na una tukungiikira ruba waro.
SETOSPHERE, c'est un fonds de dotation qui a été créé il y a 3 ans maintenant par le SETO, qui est donc le syndicat des tour opérateurs français, puisque nous voulions trouver le meilleur projet qui puisse nous permettre de nous engager nous aussi dans l'objectif de la neutralité carbone à échéance 2030 et 2050. La beauté du monde est indissociable d'un certain sens de l'humanité. Et ce projet, ce programme, il est profondément humain.
Kutakuwa kumeendelea vizuri, juu kutakuwa na miti na watu wanaendelea vizuri sababu